My group is analyzing Ecovillage Charlottesville as our system, a co-housing development in Charlottesville, Virginia. One of the main goals of Ecovillage Charlottesville is to combat climate change while creating a space which highlights neighborly relationships through shared resources, community gardens, and education. Some of their efforts to combat climate change include net zero energy usage and net zero waste. Over the past century, carbon dioxide emissions have dramatically increased. In this graphic, you can see how this increase has led to an increase in global temperatures. As a result, ice caps are melting and biodiversity is decreasing. In addition, there's a history of redline communities creating urban heat islands, emphasizing the need for green infrastructure and less concrete. Ecovillage Charlottesville is still in the development phase, so in this rendering, you can see what the site will look like. They have two main aims: fostering relationships and minimizing their impact on the environment. They will do this while emphasizing functionality, sustainability, and beauty. You can see what the development will look like in this video.
This shows Ecovillage's location from above. It is located close to both the downtown mall and UVA. To be exact, it is only 1.5 miles from the downtown mall. It is close to public libraries, parks, and museums, also located conveniently near public transit such as the CAT, train station, bus station, and biking and walking trails. Trails and car parking is placed on the outside to enhance the breeze flow and increase privacy within the village. The sun is able to hit all necessary points to ensure solar efficiency to benefit all community members, storing excess power on site with electric vehicle charging stations. The floor plan image shows how the breeze is able to flow through the apartments due to the orientation we see in the bottom right image. This purple arrow shows this flow through the site and thus through the homes. Here we can observe the systems diagram, which shows how interrelated all factors of the system are.
We are fortunate enough to have an interview with a member from Twin Oaks community. They have had great success with community housing, and this has involved the sharing of all resources, including cars, homes, and kitchens. Residents who had left the community had implemented similar ride-sharing programs into cities that they moved into. Other residents started their own community, such as Living Energy Farm in Louisa, Virginia, which is a completely off-grid community. This shows the value in exposure and education whilst fostering relationships. We completed the Envision credit limit assessment, but without sufficient insight into Ecovillage Charlottesville, it is hard to make a thorough assessment of the sustainability credits that they will be fulfilling. By making some educated guesses, we believe that they'll be at least in the 52% category. This is the Platinum Award status, and this means that the company is doing really well to achieve their zero emissions goal. Next, we did a life cycle assessment for transportation. We saw that by being close to the downtown mall with community gardens, access to public transport, electric car sharing programs, and ride sharing opportunities among the residents, they are doing really well in achieving positive outcomes. But one potential problem would be that those living closer to the downtown mall in their previous home would have a longer commute. Another potential problem is that the prices range from over $200,000 to $500,000 for each house. And these models may either be attached, detached, and maybe include a terrace. But is this really an affordable option for those members hoping to escape the inequalities that they are facing due to climate injustice? And that will be something that they would need to look into. Thank you.